Upgraded lumens. Our new 75-watt portfolio brings brighter bulbs into your living space. With 1100 lumens of light, you can easily turn any room into an energized space or an atmosphere to unwind after a long day. Simple to get started. Set the mood with dimmable 2700 kelvins light bulbs. Control your Philips Hue Smart Lights all with just the touch of a button on your mobile device or your favorite voice assistant. Add up to 10 Hue Bluetooth, Zigbee smart bulbs with the free Hue Bluetooth app. When ready to connect a voice assistant, just go to Settings, add Voice Assistant in the Hue app. Pprevious Hue customers, this smart light, while Bluetooth compatible, will also work with the Hue Hub included. With the Hue Hub, you can control up to 50 smart lights throughout your home, even outdoor. Create timers and routines to automate your entire smart home lighting setup. Control your lights while away from home or add accessories such as motion sensors and smart switches to further enhance your experience. Schedule your own custom light scenes. With the Philips Hue app you can set routines to help you feel energized in the morning, have your lights detect when you arrive home, or turn the smart lights off gradually as you head to bed. Expand your Philips Hue ecosystem. You can easily expand on your starter kit when you purchase other Hue LightPoints accessories. Try adding a Hue tap switch for control without touching your smartphone. Add a Hue play to set the perfect scene for your next binge-worthy show. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty cool. These bulbs were insanely easy to install and they hook up to their hub, required, and HomeKit smoothly. They are not the brightest bulbs in the box, never said that and meant it literally before. After I purchased these I thought I would change all the lights in the house, but I've decided to keep some regular, LED, lights in place. If I'm looking for something at night, one bulb in my living room lamp just isn't bright enough at 100%. But being able to tell Siri that I want to relax, and watching her dim the bulbs and set the color to a calming sky blue, is worth the price. In all fairness I haven't tried any other bulbs in the market, but I've had these for about a month with no problems. Highly recommend.